As I mentioned, we have a full house, 950 registered attendees. We have over 300 companies, and you saw next door 75 corporate and media sponsors, and we have actually all industry press here, and we have folks from over 20 countries here. So it's really truly a global gathering. Now, those of you who have not connected to the Wi-Fi, please do so, because you want to use the app, and we have the app. The password is ARC Forum, ARC Forum. So it's real easy, and we have the Forum app. Those of you who have not downloaded the app, please do so, because all the Forum information is in the app, and it's easier to find in the app than in the little book that we handed you. Again, those of you who are in the social media, feel free to tweet. And this forum hashtag is ARC Forum. Now, we have actually 9 different programs. Every topic that's important for our industry will be discussed here. And we have these programs housed in 6 different tracks. The first track actually will be over here, because at lunchtime, this room is going to be divided right here. So the track 1 will be here, and track 2 will be over here. This is where most of the cybersecurity sessions will be held. And the other 4 tracks are right behind that wall. And the track 3, that's where most of the sessions related to asset management will be hosted. And then analytics and machine learning, IT, OT, ET convergence, and smart cities and infrastructure will be in track 6 in the corner over there. So we have a lot of different topics. Besides these topics, there are a whole bunch of other topics. We have several sessions on robotics, blockchain, and every key topic actually that's important for digital transformation will be discussed here. And other unique thing about this forum is that all the presentations, we have almost 255 different sessions and over 200 distinguished speakers and panelists. And all the speakers will be sharing their use cases, how they are implementing new technologies to help them on their journey to digital transformation. And all speaker and panelist bios and pictures are in the app. We will be introducing all speakers and panelists simply by name and company. We are recording all sessions with speaker and panelist approval. All the videos and session presentations will be available about 3 to 4 weeks after the forum. And we upload, once we get the approval, we upload all videos to YouTube. So even when you go back, you can actually watch these videos, and you can share these videos with your colleagues. And we have lots of people actually download the videos and listen to videos for months and years to come. Now, we also would appreciate if you would actually rate the session. The rating is also in your app. So we would really appreciate if you use the app while you're here. And using the app also, you can connect with your other colleagues. Again, digital transformation is new for all of us. We are here to learn from each other. So we encourage you to ask questions from your colleagues here, as well as actually all the panels and speakers we have here. And if you have any other questions related to logistics and so forth, please see someone at the registration desk or the ARC folks here we have. With that now, I'd like to introduce you, actually just mentally go over all the sponsors we have. And sponsors are very important. Without their help, we wouldn't be able to host this forum. The first one is Inductive Automation, Microsoft, Bentley Systems, Siemens, ARM, AspenTech, AT&T Business, Aviva, Baker Hughes, Bedrock, Fortinet, GE, HEMA, Honeywell, Intel, IoTM, Irdato, LT Technology Services, SAP, Schneider Electric, Stratus, Tata, Wind River, Yokogawa, and then thanks to all of our silver sponsors, as you can see, pretty much all leading companies in the industry are here. And we want to thank all the industry associations. They're also doing a lot of good work. They can also help us in our journey toward digital transformation. And all the media. This event actually gets more industry media than any other event in the country. And now, please also, I want to remind you, mute your phones, silence your phones. You can keep them on because you're going to need them if you want to actually do the rating, session rating, and so forth. Plus, please mute your phones.